What's up, YouTube? A couple weeks ago, I got a complaint from my girlfriend saying her Jeep is making a really weird popping noise. So we got the Jeep home, and I took it for a test drive, and this is what the Jeep sounded like. At first I thought it was the U-joints, but when I climbed under the Jeep to check things out, I recognized a problem immediately. It wasn't the U-joints, it was the O2 sensor wiring harness. Somehow, this plastic piece that mounts to the chassis to keep the sensor's wires from hanging in the way of the rear drive shaft had come loose. So that was the sound of the sensor's plug being slapped around by the rotating U-joints, and the drive shaft spins real fast. You can see the sensor plug really got chewed up, and to keep that from happening again, I zip tied it to the heat shield. I've also replaced the U-joint since then, so if you're interested in doing that, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. And the culprit may not always be a sensor. If you have a four-wheel drive or a rear-wheel drive vehicle and experience weird noises from underneath, it's possible you picked up road debris that's caught in between the U-joint and drive shaft. It's always best to check things out for yourself, because it could be something simple.